My name is Debbie, and I'm a diabetes dietitian here at Pella Regional Health Center. And one of the things that I frequently talk to my diabetes patients about, and we discuss, is ways to pair protein and carbohydrate together. And unfortunately, people struggle with breakfast. So I have two exciting recipes for you this morning that we will show you how to incorporate eggs in the morning. First, we're gonna do a breakfast egg bake with muffin tins, and then I'm also gonna share my secret to making a 1 minute, maybe 1 minute and 10-second egg sandwich. So first, prior to starting here, I cracked a dozen eggs. And what we're gonna do is go ahead and whisk them to kind of a good scrambled consistency. And then I will include the recipe, but you can really add whatever you want into this egg bake. I today have chosen kind of some breakfast meats, some Canadian bacon, some bacon, sausage, some cherry tomatoes that I kind of cut, quartered, and then some spinach. Now, as far as the quantity that you want to incorporate, probably 1/2 to 1/4 of a cup of each, depending on how much you like or how much to taste. And then you're going to mix this mixture up with your whisk. And then typically, if you read the recipe, they would say pour this into your muffin tins. First, of course, we got to spray them with non-stick cooking spray. And I haven't had good luck pouring. So my tip is use a ladle, because then you can get equal amounts of all the things in each of your muffin tins. So then, you know, your kiddo doesn't get one that has all spinach, and then the next kid gets one with all tomatoes. So we're gonna fill these, and another key is to try to fill them, I'll go back, but to try to get them as evenly as possible, because you're gonna cook them all at the same time. So then we are going to put these in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. So while our breakfast egg cups are cooking, I wanted to show you my tip for making an egg sandwich in about a minute. So the key is, I always start with a coffee cup. Why a coffee cup? Probably because we have a zillion in our house and I can always find them. And what you want to do is spray it with non-stick cooking spray, and then take 1 egg and crack it into your coffee cup, and then you are going to scramble it. I like to use a fork, but whatever your scrambling method of choice. And then we're going to go to our microwave and put it in for 1 minute on high. All right, so our egg is done. And if you can see here, it's very fluffy. And while it is microwaving, you can get out whatever you're gonna put your egg on. I like to put it on an English muffin, whole wheat English muffin. But you could also put it in a whole wheat tortilla, you could put it on toast, and then it kind of comes out like a little disc the size of your coffee cup, and then there's your egg sandwich. So there's no excuse for not having some protein at your breakfast. And then you could put a tomato or some spinach on this, or a piece of cheese, and you've got a breakfast sandwich. All right, so these breakfast egg cups have cooked for about 20 minutes. Now you want to let them cool because they are warm. And actually, the eggs will cook a tiny bit more while they're sitting on the counter. So I'm not going to pull them out and show them for you right now, but Something you can do is you can make these ahead of time and then freeze them, or make them ahead of time and then eat them over the course of a few days. And feel free to personalize them. Throw in your favorite veggies and meats, or just egg. So enjoy, and we will include the recipes below.